morning, everybody. Wanted to show you some of the dogs in our other area this morning. Forgot to show you Tofu. There she is. She's a little Shar-Pei. So I wanted to show you some dogs in another area this morning. We're gonna go quickly through the live today. I would encourage everybody, if you're interested in seeing the animals, come into the shelter, please. 10 to 3. We have an array of dogs and cats and critters for you to adopt. So we're going to go in the dog gallery, and I'm going to probably stop talking because they bark when I go in there. But I'm going to give you a live look at the dogs. Here we go. Hi, Maurice. So we got to blanket up. Echo, what's up? Don't know how to say this name. I don't know why the phone's sideways. Sorry, I don't know what's going on. Here you go. Is that better? Dua? I'm not sure what happened. Hi, buddy. Outside. Here's Molly. Whoops. So many cute faces. Furry's outside. Brutus. Spud's outside. Sorry, my finger. I don't know why my phone wants to be turned around the other way today. Don't know. It's probably a setting. I'll figure it out. Scratch. Scratch is a good boy. He's a good boy. He does not like to be put back in his cage. Scratchity scratch. Hello, babe. This dog is back. I think she's been here before. Sierra, did you come in here before? OC's slated for a rescue. I know we let some families visit with her, but you really have to be German Shepherd savvy. Hey, Hi, Terry. Terry's my buddy. Terry. Hi, bud. How are you? You're a good boy. You're the good boy. Come here, Terry. Hi. Buddy. Hi, Vito. Yo, Vito. What's up? Marky Mark. Come here. Give me some good vibrations. No, you scared? Okay. Okay, everybody, so those are the dogs in the main dog kennel, and then I showed you some of the ones we have elsewhere for a little quieter environment. A lot of dogs, a lot, and I kind of stopped talking in there because I don't want to scream over the barking. So hopefully you got a good look at them. If you see your lost pets, please do get in touch with us. We are open today 10 to 3. We're open Tuesday through Saturday 10 to 3. To reclaim, we need your ID, proof of ownership, which can be vet records or photos on your phone. We encourage you to come and reclaim your pets if you see them here, because we are full, and we have been full throughout the spring and summer. And then now we're going to look at cats. Applicable fees do apply, so just know that when you come to reclaim. Here's Sushi. Sushi, you've been here a while, huh? Yeah. Boy, it's more quiet in here than in the dog room. Do we have a kitty back there? Oh, I think she has it in the visiting area, but that's Sushi. Here's Nico. Hi, Nico. Hello. Boy has a pre-screen. Here's Rita below Nico. Hi, Rita. Oh, my finger keeps getting in the way because I'm holding my phone the other way. Okay, here's Binks. Hello, Binks. Binks is, what does that say? Supplemental. C supplemental. Binks was given up. Here is DW, who's adopted. Are you adopted? Girlfriend. Okay, she's adopted. Here's Tapioca. Hello, doll. Lily. Hi, Lily. What's up? Lily's beautiful. Are you temperamental? Well, Aussie cat. Aussie cat. What are you doing? Hi, Ozzy. Hi, baby. come and look at our really cute cats this week. Cat adoptions are $14. That includes spay or neuter surgery, a rabies vaccine, and a microchip. And dogs are $17. That includes spay and neuter surgery, microchip, and rabies. And they also get a kennel cough vaccine when they come in. We'll be back Tuesday. Well, let's go to the other side. You like meow mixed food. Okay, Mittens is actually not available for adoption. I need to go ahead and put that on her cage. She is going to go home with her owner. She's just staying here with us for a minute. Ted. Hello, Ted. You're scared? Are you scared? You're 12? Any cats over 9, they're free to qualified adopters. My precious. Rasha is a little girl. Wednesday is 1 year old. Oh, you're pretty. Vera came in with a cat named Nix. Are you scratchy? Are you scratching? Croissant nibbles when he's done being petted, likes to be brushed. Where's Fergus? Oh, Fergus, are you scared? Yeah. Can't focus that. But Fergus is a boy. We have a slideshow when you come into the cat gallery. It shows you all of the cats that are in foster, which is a great many. In total, animals in foster is about 90. If you're interested in anybody that's in foster, please let us know and we can get in touch with the foster and schedule a visitation. Our kittens that are too young to get adopted, or we need to work on socializing, or we're waiting until they can have surgery, they're all on this foster screen. And you can access these virtual galleries at aacounty.org/pets and go ahead and take a look. All of our adoptable pets that are in the shelter are also on there. So you can take a look. All of our adoptable dogs. These are all of our foster kitties in foster. And if you're interested in a kitten, probably now's the time to get it and not in December. Because we won't have any kittens then, we hope. Anyway. All right. So that's all the cats I'm going to show you. I'm not going to go through this whole slideshow because it's very lengthy. And you can access it online. And if you can't access it online, you can come into the shelter and take a look at who we have here. And yay. So let's go ahead back and make our rounds in the back here. I'm going to pass you. Well, we have a lot of cats in isolation with upper respiratory infections. And then we have some cats chilling out in the nursery. This is Harold, who's apparently very food motivated as a boy. Here's Miss Slipper, who's down here, 9 to 10 weeks old. She's a cutie. Baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Sandy, how are you? Sandy was giving up, and she's a nice little dilute calico. We'll just go ahead and quickly go through here in case anybody is interested in any cats in here. They all have URIs. This is Kitty. This is Moo Moo. Hello, Moo Moo. I know. Okay, I'm back. Apparently, the connection does not like the isolation room, so we're just going to move on to the office cats today. And we're going to end the video at that. So again, we're open 10 to 3. Please come down the shelter if you're free and take a look. There's Miss Linda. Do you see her? Where's she at? Where is she? Hello, Linda. Hello. Linda started out, you know, a little fearful, a little temperamental, and now she's a great kitty. Look at her. She loves sitting on the ledge. Linda Lou. Hello. Okay. Sorry, I didn't want you to look down the hallway. We'll go ahead into the rest of the office cats, and then I'll show you the critters. Again, we walked through the dog gallery. All the dogs are online, and it has a lot of information about the dogs on the virtual slideshow. So please feel free to look at that. I'm not going to go through it today. This is Tofu and Tomato. They are so cute. Tomato and Tofu. Hello, baby. Now, these cats were very unsocialized. They came in this office. They were in this cat menagerie here, but they've really come a long way. Their office mate Bowser was adopted last week, so that's great. Yes, thank you, Martin. The dog gallery does close at 2 p.m. for second feeding, so if you're interested in coming down, you can look at the virtual gallery until 3 p.m., but the dog gallery does close at 2 p.m. And on Wednesdays, it closes from 2 to 3 and then opens back up from 3 to 6. This is Miss Paws. We have her on a diet, and she already in a few days looks like maybe she lost a little weight, Miss Paws. You gotta go on you have to be on your diet. It's healthier for you. Stevie Ray, I think, was adopted by the foster, I believe. What are you doing? What are you doing? My shoes. Can you tie my shoe for me, Miss Paws? Are you lonely? Yes. Don't go after my feet because of my shoes. Okay, I have to keep going. If you're interested in Miss Paws, she's here and waiting to visit with you. I have to go. I have to be going. I'll see you a little later. Tangerine in here?
Right, but we're trying to figure out quantity, right? So
Right, exactly. Quantity is almost something we shouldn't be putting in by hand, and the system seems to be
Hello, doll. Tangerine.
There was no other way that I could do this without knowing what these items.
He says, what are you doing?
All right,
What are you doing?
we'll let you go. Tangerine's a cute girl, ready for her forever home. We have a Zoom meeting going on, so we'll go ahead and exit. Y'all don't want to hear all about that. Let's show you the critters. Critters. This is our training room and where we do our rabies clinics when we have them. We have canceled a few rabies clinics for the rest of the year because we don't have enough staff. We just don't have the people to put on the rabies clinics. There's going to be one in November. There's going to be one in December from 12 to 3. I think the first week of the month in November and December. The one that was scheduled for October 20th has been canceled. Please do not come because we will not be having the rabies clinic on October 20th. The ones for November and December, again, one a month, they're from 12 to 3 on the dates, and you can find those dates online. Okay, that was Coco and Chestnut, a pair of guinea pigs. Some reason Bebop wants to hide this morning. Hello, Bunny. Hello, Bun Bun. Oh, playing with the ball. That's fun. Isn't that fun? Hey, Bebop. This is Potato. Potato's neighbor, Bambolina, got adopted on Saturday, and we are so happy because Bambolina was a great little rabbit, and we wish her a great life. This is Gillich. These two rabbits are so cool. I bring fruit to work, and I really generally don't eat it. So at the end of the day, I give them my apples, my oranges, and they love to take it from me. They take it from my hand. All these guys on this wall here. Just a little bit of information. This is Hannah and Roxy, two little girls. Hello, babies. They're scared. They run in their hut. I think that's it for today. Yeah, I mean, Martin, thank you for reminding me of all this stuff. Thank you. I'm a little off today, so I can't remember everything. And I'm trying to rush because we're already busy. We're hitting the ground running. Yes, so our Halloween party, which is an adoption event, is on October 29th, and it's from 10 to 2 here at the shelter. There's also a trunk or treat with the police for your kids. There's also a costume contest. And, you know, our adoption event to get everybody to come and look at the shelter and adopt some animals. And we're really excited to have that. Last year it was scaled down a bit. And then, of course, in 2020 we didn't have it. So this one's going to be really, really fun. So come on and see us on that date. Anyway, I'm going to end the video today. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you like seeing the live dogs. And hopefully I'll get my phone regulated here for next time.